Hello and welcome to Magic in My Food. This is Jyoti Dalmia. Today is Keto Friday and also the isolation period or stay home phase is going on for everybody in the world. And we all have a limited supply of our keto food or for that matter any food. So actually, I was thinking what to cook, and then I remembered a beautiful recipe. These are very simple keto naan. Yes, you won't believe it's so easy and so yummy. You would actually feel you are having that all-purpose flour naan. Yes, that maida naan. The taste is almost like that. So let's begin with it. And mind you, I said it's very easy means it is very easy. So let's begin with it. So this is a keto naan which is very easy and quick to prepare, and you'll be shocked because of the taste. It's really super yum. Tastes just like your normal naan. Yes, that is your all-purpose flour naan. So for this I have taken the parchment sheet, and here comes the superhero ingredient, that is only the cheese slice. Yes, I require the cheese slice. You can use any cheese slice you can get hold of, Gouda, cheddar, whatever you can get hold of, use that cheese slice. Place it on the parchment sheet side by side, whatever shape you want. You make a square, rectangle according to your oven size, and just place it side by side. You can place it separately even, since I wanted a long rectangular naan, so I am placing it this way, and this is the size which fits my microwave even, that is my oven even. Meanwhile, my oven is preheated to 190 degrees Celsius, and now I am going to sprinkle the flavors or the spices. Here comes the onion or the Nigella seeds, also commonly known as kalonji or mangrela in India. Just sprinkle that. This will give a beautiful flavor to this naan. Yes, I want the authentic naan flavor. So here comes some more white sesame seeds. Sprinkle that even. Sprinkle it lavishly. Love the colors of the naan, the black Nigella seeds. And here comes another ingredient. This I thought, why not put this also? This would give a lovely flavor. I love the fenugreek leaves naan. So here I have these dried fenugreek leaves. If you don't have, no need to sprinkle. You can just put this as it is in the oven. I have sprinkled the fenugreek leaves, not on all the slices. I have kept one portion as it is, that is only with the Nigella seed and the sesame seed. And now this is ready for baking. Yes, see, this looks so lovely, and now this will go for baking in the oven, which is already preheated, for 12 to 15 minutes at 190 degrees Celsius, and it will be done. Yes, my keto naan will be done. See, now I am going to take it out. See, after taking out, this is how it looks. So see, it is soft and it's taken a lovely color even. And now I am going to slice it with the slicer. I am slicing it into 3 portions. You can slice it into 6 portions even if you want. See, that is my only sesame seed naan. That is your Nigella seed, onion seed, sesame seed naan, and this is my fenugreek naan. If you want, you can add finely chopped garlic to get the garlic naan even. So now my naans are done, ready to be eaten. As it is also you can eat it, or if you want, you can make some gravies or curries and enjoy these lovely naan. Doesn't it look beautiful? Just see, soft, pliable and fully baked. This dish, do not grill it nor microwave it. The perfect taste comes when you bake it. So now comes the tasting time. So first I am tasting the fenugreek naan. Let me do the tasting. Wow. It's awesome. Simply awesome. I am having this without the curry and it's really tasting like the normal naan. You have to make it to believe it. And now I am going to taste the plain simple sesame seed naan. That is your onion and sesame seed naan, and it is awesome. Simply awesome. Both the flavors are delicious. And so if you have liked it and enjoyed it, go and make these lovely naans, because for this you don't have to wait. These are easily available ingredients in your pantry and you can enjoy this naan. You can bake it and keep it even. Store it in the fridge or outside and enjoy this lovely naan. And before that, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and post comments and queries. I would love to answer it. And viewers, please stay inside, please stay safe and enjoy watching my videos. I would love it. Thank you.